Let's start by adding a cube into the scene. Edit the cube's properties, set the width to 0.3. Set the height to 1.5 and the length to 0.2. Set the segment count, x equals 3, y equals 4, and z equals 2. Enter modeler mode. Move the cube upward by 0.75 and along the z-axis by 0.8. Next, perform a radial clone on the y-axis and create 12 copies. Switch to point edit mode. Taper along the y-axis with a value of -0.65. Switch to the right view and rectangle select the bottom vertices. Scale the bottom vertices on the z-axis by about -40%. Deselect all. Twist along the y-axis with a value around -180 degrees. Set the edge crease value to 0.1. Return to scene mode. Add a floor to the scene. Set the color for the vase. Scale up the floor. Switch to orthographic mode. Reposition the scene view. Finally, press the render button. Wait for the noise level to come down. Press pause and save the image. That's all for today, and thank you for watching.